Greetings, my name is Dominic and I am team lead in GFE Solutions company. Let me tell you some words about our transparency and planning. After logging in, you see the sidebar with all your projects served by GFE. If you are interested in a specific one, you can click on it to see its structure and tasks. Here you can see subtasks, checklists, pictures, and deadlines. Our project planning is in a Gantt chart. You can see a general report for our project with estimated versus actual worked hours, total hours planned, and spent on your project. In the overview, you can find all the information summarized, like total time spent, remaining time budgeted, hours worked in a chosen time frame, and a live tracker with tasks being worked right now on. Finally, you can also see a global Gantt chart with all your projects. As you see all about your projects this year, with just a couple of clicks on your mobile. So for example, if your circumstances unexpectedly change and this project must be ready 1 week earlier, you still have it under control. With one phone call to GFE, the needed extra resources are assigned and your project safely meets this new deadline. Book your test access and check it out now.